If you're flying your Mavic Air and you notice that it's not flying level, it's tilted one way or the other, or the front is pointed up or down a little bit, or when you push that right control stick forward, the drone doesn't go straight. It goes off to the left or to the right a little bit. That just means the IMU needs to be recalibrated. IMU stands for Inertial Motion Unit. It's a small electronic device inside here that communicates with the accelerometers and other sensors to determine the drone's position in space. And for some reason, they just get out of calibration from time to time. But it's an easy fix, and here's how you do it. First, make sure the drone is powered up. Make sure your remote controller is on and that it is connected to your phone or your tablet and that the DJI Go 4 app is running. Now you're going to tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen to bring up the general settings. You're going to tap on the first icon at the top to bring up the main controller settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, tap on advanced settings. Now you're going to tap on sensors and calibrate IMU. As soon as you press start, it's going to show you a picture. Just put your drone in the position that it shows in the picture. And in just a minute, it's going to show you another picture and then another one. It's going to show you 5 different pictures in all. Each time, just move your drone to that position. When it is all done, it's going to give you a screen saying that it's all done. Just tap restart and it will restart your Mavic Air for you and it should be all calibrated and ready to fly.